Most people think that what they eat in the evening only affects their weight, their blood sugar levels, or how soundly they sleep. What they don't realize is that for anyone past 60, the food consumed at night also has a direct, measurable connection to what's happening behind the eyes while sleeping. Tonight, while your body rests, your retina keeps working. The retina is the thin, light-sensitive layer at the back of the eye that allows you to see. Every night during sleep, your body performs a process of cell repair and waste clearance that's essential for preserving good eyesight as you grow older. Here's something most doctors never bother to explain. This overnight repair process needs specific nutrients to function correctly. When the body lacks those nutrients in sufficient quantities, the repair process comes up short, night after night, year after year, until the damage that's been silently building up starts showing as blurry central vision, trouble driving in low light, or light sensitivity you chalked up to simply getting older. But it isn't always just aging eyes. The National Eye Institute states that age-related macular degeneration, the breakdown of the central retina responsible for sharp, detailed vision, is the top cause of vision loss among Americans aged 65 and up. More than 11 million Americans currently live with some form of this condition, and research increasingly demonstrates that diet has a far greater influence on how quickly it advances than most people have ever been told. Today, I'll walk you through the best fruits to eat before bedtime for eye health after 60. I'll explain exactly why the timing, specifically before sleep, matters so much. And I'll save for last the one fruit that will probably catch you off guard, because the science supporting it is newer, more precise, and more impressive than almost anything else linking food to eye health. Keep watching, because what follows is truly fascinating. I'm Dr. Bennett, and this channel exists to share the newest evidence-based research on senior health in a practical, easy-to-apply way. If you haven't subscribed already, now's a great time so you don't miss future content. Let's begin with something almost nobody has been told about what the eyes require during sleep, because once this clicks, everything else will make sense. The retina, pound for pound, is the most metabolically demanding tissue in the human body. It has among the highest energy requirements of any tissue, and it's continuously exposed to light, which produces a type of cellular damage known as oxidative stress. Oxidative stress means unstable molecules called free radicals build up and harm cells faster than the body can fix them. During daylight hours, the eyes are constantly exposed to light, so the oxidative burden on the retina stays high. At night, once the eyes close and the retina stops processing light, the body takes that window to perform repair and regeneration. Antioxidants, substances that neutralize free radicals, are what make this repair possible. Two particular antioxidants gather almost exclusively in the macula, the central area of the retina responsible for the sharpest vision, lutein and zeaxanthin. The body can't produce these on its own. They must come from diet, and they form the retina's main defense against both oxidative harm and the intense short wavelength blue light that contributes to macular breakdown over the years. The landmark AREDS-2 clinical trial, run by the National Eye Institute with thousands of older adults already showing age-related macular degeneration, found that a supplement combination containing lutein and zeaxanthin cut the risk of progressing to advanced macular degeneration by 25% in those with intermediate stage disease. 25%, that's a substantial, clinically significant improvement achieved through targeted nutrition for the retina. But here's what many people overlook. Supplements aren't the only route to these nutrients. Fresh fruits and vegetables are another, and the body actually absorbs certain forms of these compounds more effectively from whole foods than from pills, especially when eaten alongside a small amount of fat, which aids absorption. That's the basis for why eating these foods, specifically in the evening, after dinner and before bed, matters so much for eye health. Now let's look at the fruits research supports most strongly. The first is blueberries. Blueberries have been thoroughly researched for their impact on eye health, and the most significant recent finding comes from a 2024 study published in the Journal of Nutrition, part of Harvard's Women's Health Study. Researchers tracked a large group of middle-aged and older women and found that eating one or more servings of blueberries weekly was strongly linked to a lower overall risk of age-related macular degeneration compared with women who didn't eat blueberries at all. The protective effect stems mainly from compounds called anthocyanins, the pigments responsible for blueberries' deep blue hue. Within the retina, anthocyanins do several jobs at once. They mop up the free radicals produced by light exposure before those radicals can harm retinal cells. They also help maintain the structural integrity of the tiny blood vessels that deliver oxygen and nutrients to the retina. When these vessels are damaged by oxidative stress or inflammation, the retina loses the nutritional support it needs to keep central vision sharp. Anthocyanins help keep those vessels intact and working properly. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry confirmed that blueberry anthocyanins directly shielded human retinal pigment epithelial cells from oxidative damage in lab studies, cutting down free radical buildup and improving cell survival. These cells make up the deepest layer of the retina, and their decline is one of the central events in macular degeneration. A small handful of blueberries in the evening, fresh or frozen, is a simple, effective way to deliver these compounds to your system during the overnight repair window. The second fruit is tart cherries. Tart cherries offer two distinct benefits for eye health after 60, and the link between them is rarely explained well. The first benefit is melatonin. Tart cherries rank among the richest natural food sources of melatonin. While melatonin is best known for regulating the sleep-wake cycle, its role in the eye gets far less attention. The retina itself contains melatonin receptors, and the melatonin produced at night acts as a powerful antioxidant, specifically within the eye. Studies show melatonin levels in the retina decline noticeably with age, and this drop is tied to greater vulnerability to oxidative damage. Eating tart cherries in the evening can help boost the melatonin available to the retina during the hours when repair is underway. The second benefit comes from tart cherries' anti-inflammatory compounds, particularly a group of antioxidants called anthocyanins, similar to those in blueberries, but including variants that seem especially good at reducing inflammation in small blood vessels. Chronic low-level inflammation in the retina's blood vessels is one of the pathways through which macular degeneration advances. Clinical and nutritional research consistently ranks tart cherries among the most powerful anti-inflammatory foods available. A small serving of tart cherries, fresh, frozen, or as a small amount of unsweetened tart cherry juice diluted in water, eaten 30 to 60 minutes before bed, delivers both the melatonin and anthocyanin benefits right when your retina is gearing up for its repair cycle. The third fruit is kiwi, and this is the one that surprises people most. Most know kiwi as a vitamin C source, and they're right, kiwi has more vitamin C per gram than oranges. But the link between kiwi and eye health runs much deeper than most people realize, and it's tied to sleep in a way that makes kiwi the most strategically valuable fruit to eat before bed. A human clinical trial that had adults eat 2 kiwis an hour before bedtime each night found notable improvements in sleep quality, including how quickly participants fell asleep and how deep and efficient their sleep was. This effect comes from kiwis' unusually high natural levels of serotonin precursors. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter the body converts into melatonin in the evening. Supplying the body with serotonin precursors through food supports melatonin production, which in turn supports deeper, more restorative sleep. And here's why that matters for your eyes specifically. The retina's overnight repair process is most active during deep sleep, particularly when the body's own melatonin production peaks. Poor or insufficient sleep shortens time spent in those deep, restorative stages, which cuts the retinal repair cycle short. Over years, people who sleep poorly build up retinal oxidative damage faster because their nightly repair window keeps shrinking. Stick with me, because this next point is the one most people completely miss. Kiwi also contains vitamin C in amounts that genuinely matter for eye health. Vitamin C is one of the antioxidants included in the REDS2 formula studied by the National Eye Institute. It's present in high concentrations in the fluid filling the eye and plays a direct role in protecting the lens from oxidative damage and maintaining the integrity of retinal blood vessels. 2 kiwis provide more than 150% of the recommended daily vitamin C intake. Combine the sleep-boosting serotonin to melatonin pathway with direct vitamin C delivery to the eye and the antioxidant effects of kiwi's other polyphenols, and you get a fruit uniquely suited for bedtime eye health, working through both the sleep pathway and the direct antioxidant pathway at once. Eat 1 to 2 kiwis roughly 45 minutes to an hour before bed. They can be eaten skin on for extra fiber and concentrated nutrients, though most people prefer just the flesh. Now let's cover the mistakes that reduce how effective these fruits can be. The first mistake is eating them with added sugar. Berries served with sweetened yogurt or tart cherry juice mixed into sugary drinks partly cancels out the benefit added sugar promotes inflammation in the very blood vessels these antioxidants are working to protect. Instead, eat these fruits plain or pair them with a small amount of plain full-fat yogurt, which provides the dietary fat that boosts lutein and zeaxanthin absorption without triggering a sugar-driven inflammatory response. The second mistake is treating this as a one-off effort. Retinal cells need ongoing, daily support from these antioxidants. The studies showing reduced macular degeneration risk were based on regular, consistent fruit intake over time, not occasional large servings. A small amount every evening consistently is far more protective than a big amount eaten now and then. The third mistake is assuming that if your vision feels fine right now, none of this applies to you. Early and intermediate stage macular degeneration typically causes no noticeable symptoms. The damage builds quietly for years before central vision is affected. The right time to protect your retina is well before you notice any problem, not after. Let's pull this all together. Your retina does its most important repair work overnight while you sleep. That repair depends on antioxidants, particularly lutein, zeaxanthin, anthocyanins, vitamin C, and melatonin, to counter oxidative damage and maintain the health of retinal cells and blood vessels. 3 fruits eaten consistently in the evening deliver these compounds directly during the window when they're needed most. Blueberries supply anthocyanins that protect retinal cells from oxidative oxyform and support the tiny blood vessels feeding the retina. The 2024 Harvard-linked study ties them to a reduced macular degeneration risk with long-term dietary habits. Tart cherries provide natural melatonin, which the retina itself uses as an antioxidant, plus anti-inflammatory anthocyanins that protect retinal circulation from chronic inflammation. Kiwi supports sleep-enhancing melatonin production through serotonin precursors, extending and deepening the overnight repair window, while also delivering high levels of vitamin C straight to the eye's protective antioxidant system. 1 serving of any of these fruits each evening is enough to start building a nutritional foundation for long-term retinal health. 2 or 3 combined in small amounts is even better. None require a prescription, none are expensive, and the research behind them is current, published, and growing stronger. Your eyes work for you every moment you're awake. The evening is your chance to give them what they need to perform just as well tomorrow as they did today. Disclaimer: everything shared in this video is general educational information based on current published nutrition research, clinical trial data, and accepted ophthalmology guidelines. It is not personalized medical advice for your specific situation. The fruits discussed support general retinal health and are not a treatment or cure for any eye condition. If you've been diagnosed with macular degeneration, cataracts, or any other eye condition, please follow your ophthalmologist's guidance and discuss any dietary changes with your healthcare provider. Annual dilated eye exams remain the most important step in monitoring retinal health after 60